Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time. I have not done any Club Factory haul on my channel, and I shopped quite a very few items from Club Factory during the festival time, and so I thought let's just make a video out of it. And if you like this video, give this video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel by clicking the red subscribe button down below. Also press the bell icon just next to it so that you will not miss any of my videos. And without further ado, let's just get started. First item that I purchased from Club Factory are this long golden earrings. So basically these were available in two variants, and first one is this one circular and golden variant, and the second one was I think silver color star variant, but I like this one, so I purchased this. And this is quite long, as you can see. And this, when I purchased, was around rupees 150. Now the latest purchase links मैं नीचे description box में डाल दूंगी, so if you are interested to know the latest price and if you are looking to buy this, then go check out the link in the description box. This earring is very solid and sturdy. ये टूटने का कोई चांस नहीं है। और मैंने ये सब COD में खरीदा था और मुझे ये डिलीवरी आई थिंक 10 दिन के अंदर मुझे सारे डिलीवरीज मिल चुका था। Also, I'm going to leave the Club Factory haul videos link in the description box. So if you want, you can check out my earlier Club Factory haul, or for that matter, any other haul. The next item is this heart and heartbeat shaped golden plated neck piece or necklace or chain, whatever you want to call it. Honestly, I again don't have any complaint regarding this because this is very sturdy. And कई बार होता है कि जब डिलीवर होता है मिसप्लेस हो जाता है या टूट जाता है कुछ कुछ चीज़ें, but this came intact and solid, so I don't have any complaint regarding this. Also इसका जो price था वो I think 99 का कुछ था. I will leave the purchase link down in the description box. This is the third one, and ये ऐप पे कुछ यूरो अमेरिकन टैसल काइंड ऑफ इयरिंग समथिंग दिया हुआ था, but मेरे अकॉर्डिंग तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा इंडियन है और चांद बाली है, हमारा इंडियन चांद बाली. So this is also something which came intact and very solid. It's very sturdy, ये बिल्कुल भी टूटा फूटा नहीं है. And this was priced at around rupees 170. The fourth item is this pair of earring, or I'm really disappointed and I have complained. As you can see, the strings are twisted, and I think I'm not going to keep it to myself. I'm going to return it either, or I'll ask for a replacement for this one. Fifth one is my favorite one, और मैंने इसको specifically wedding season के लिए खरीदा था. This is this one. How can I show you? ये basically earrings है ऐसे, और एक neck piece है which is very nice. It looks like a diamond neck piece, and it also comes with this मांग टीका जो आप लगा सकते हो ऐसे. ये काफी sturdy है, so again no complaint regarding this one. So this was priced around 370. Again, the latest price. Purchase links will be down mentioned in the description box, so make sure you check it out. So guys, that's all in today's video. If you find this video useful, helpful, entertaining, then please subscribe and press the bell icon, hit the like button, share this video, comment down below, let me know what you think of this video. I will meet you soon in my next video. Until then, bye.